Good evening, everybody. This is the Jet Life bringing you TEXX, the Imperial Americas Incorporated. Our last trading day was actually this evening. We closed up on August 1st, Wednesday, at 0.11500, which was unfortunately 0.00450 less than what we did yesterday. That's a decrease of 3.77% on a pretty small volume of 35,180 shares. Overall, we've got a lot of interesting cues coming up for us on this chart. I'm going to start with the 14-day RSI. It's pretty strong at 42.190. We do have a slight decrease there, but it's nothing to worry about. We have a long way to go before we cross underneath that 30 and become bearish. Based on the track record of this stock, I don't think we have a very strong chance of that happening. Our daily charts here look a little bit rough. Our parabolic SAR is above. We had a recent 50-day moving average cross under the 200-day moving average, but it's not very steep. It's not very sharp. It actually seems to be leveling off a little bit to me. And we have a pretty nice increase in prices recently. We've been spiking up a lot. We have a support line down here at 0.06. That's a very strong support line. We don't even cross under that all the way back up into November-ish area. Resistance-wise, our resistance was this morning when we opened up. We could not break through it. Hopefully tomorrow when the market opens, we will be able to overcome that resistance and get those big prices that we're looking for. Volume-wise, we spiked way up in the middle of July and have tapered off since. I will be definitely cross-referencing my indicators because volume changes like that drastically can sometimes throw some of these things off. Make sure you double-check your indicators. The MACD here, crossed over its signal line. It's a little hard to tell. It's only 002 above the zero line. That's the red line. That is a small bullish indicator. Do with it what you will. TEXX line here is kind of pinching with its signal line. We could be in for a signal line crossover, another bullish indicator anytime now. If the market opens strong enough tomorrow, that crossover could be as early as tomorrow. Slow stochastic wise, very excited about this one. We did cross over our signal line, recovering from a complete bottom out. We did cross over that 20 as well, putting us just going for a run. That slow stochastics tells us our price maximum. We have a long way to go there with our prices there, I'd say. Stochastic RSI is doing also really well. Bottomed out earlier this month, and we've been sharply going up. We're above that 0.5, long way from that 0.8, still going up. Lots of potential there. Checking money flow looks a little bit rough. We had a pretty good market in the past, but recently we've crossed underneath and been trading pretty poorly. However, that poor trend is beginning to kind of tip up a little bit, showing us that we're gaining some strength in our market, that buyers are beginning to take this stock more seriously again. The ADX line is pinching. All three of our lines here are coming together, showing us that we are preparing for a trend reversal. We could see an uptrend form. The money flow index is doing really well as well. Got that uptrend. We are above the 50. Just good news there as well. You can see the accumulation and distribution here. It kind of looks a little bit funny. We had this drastic, sharp, just steep cliff drop right there. We did recover, leveling out. We are not losing any more right now, and hopefully tomorrow when the market opens, we can see some more gains piled on top of that. On balance volume as well, did this weird heartbeat thing right there. You can see it dropped way down, shot way up, and it's kind of consolidated, come back down. I would contribute that to that weird volume that we had up there. Overall, I'd say we have potential here with TEXX. I hope that you guys will take a look at it, talk with us on the forum boards. As always, you can find us on iHub. Just search Jet Life. If you haven't already subscribed to our newsletter, you can get more hot picks and make more money by subscribing at www.jetlifepettystocks.com. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or us on those email addresses there that are on the screen. As always, good luck in the markets tomorrow, and we will see you on the boards.